All right, we have some breaking inputs coming in. We are now learning that a Ghazipur court has awarded 10 years imprisonment to Mukhtar Ansari, this in a Gangsters Act case. The court has also imposed 5 lakh fine on Mukhtar Ansari. This is the latest that we are learning at the moment. Remember, Ansari is an MP and MLA. This was in fact pronounced by an MP-MLA court in Ghazipur on Thursday. Let's quickly go across to Ananya Bhatnagar for more details. Ananya, what are the details? Share with us.
Well, definitely, Akansha, this is the 6th conviction and sentencing coming in for, in fact, Mukhtar Ansari in the last 13 months, and definitely another 10-year sentence being given out to Mukhtar Ansari. Remember that this was a case under the Gangsters Act after Ansari's involvement was seen in basically 2 cases, which was one of the killing of one Kapil Dev who was killed in 2009. He was also named in another case related to the attack on a person named Mir Hassan, and that's exactly what was the charges against Mukhtar Ansari was. His associate too has been given out a 5-year jail term in this particular case, and a 5 lakh fine has been imposed on Mukhtar Ansari. Definitely troubles mounting on the Ansari family. We've seen how things have spanned out in the state of Uttar Pradesh, how the prosecution has been pulling their strings well in order to, get these people behind bars. And definitely this is, in fact, what had been in the past as well. 13 months and 6 convictions coming in for Mukhtar Ansari in this particular case. Big order coming in from UP's Ghazipur court.
Absolutely. It's interesting that you mentioned that, this is a big order, but you also mentioned that, the UP government has been very stringent in cracking down on terror. And yes, we are talking about an MP-MLA court at the moment, but also take us through how the government has been cracking down on political criminals as well.
Well, definitely, the political crimes in the state of Uttar Pradesh has been stark history. There's no pointing out to it. But then we've seen how in the last at least 5 years, we've seen how the UP government has been very stringent. The prosecution department has been pulled in with topmost lawyers to field in, and in order to get, a proper prosecution story, a proper charge sheet being filed, documentations being done very, very properly. And then, success is coming the way of the UP prosecution. We've seen how things have panned out, not only in the Ansari family's case, but whenever we see the case of, various other gangsters as well, there is conviction, there are, results that are coming in for UP police's way. So definitely this is something that the UP police had been saying for quite a while, that they want the law and order to stay intact, and all these gangsters would be put to their terms, and that's exactly what's happening with, in fact, Mukhtar Ansari as well.
All right.
6 convictions in the last 13 months.
Many thanks to you, Ananya Bhatnagar, for bringing all those inputs. And with that, let's now shift